In today's video, I'll show you how to manually add a new contact to your ActiveCampaign account. First, log into your ActiveCampaign dashboard and click Contacts from the left-hand menu. Once you're on the Contacts page, click Add a Contact in the top right corner. You'll now see a form where you can enter the contact's information. At least one identifying detail, such as an email address or phone number, is required. Enter the contact's email address or phone number, then add additional information such as their first name, last name, or organization. Next, choose the list you want this contact to belong to. You can also add relevant tags to help organize the contact and use them later for segmentation or automations. Before saving, quickly review the information you've entered and make sure the correct list and tags are selected. Finally, click Save or Apply to add the contact to your ActiveCampaign database. You can now find the new contact in your Contact section and use their information in your campaigns and automations. And that's how you manually add a contact in ActiveCampaign. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.